Alright, you guys, I want you guys to check out my nephew, Williebeballin. Please be advised there is a little language in the music. Alright, here we go.
It's out of our control. It's not like he wants to kill. He just doesn't want to die. You know what I'm saying? It's that situation when you got, we are living in a war zone. I feel like I could represent my generation so much because I honestly did not care whether I lived or died. But now, I cannot die. I can't leave until this straight. You know, I'm not suicidal. I can't go until y'all really know what time it is. And then after that, boom, it's all over. And we can see, you know, how this shit fall. But that's how it is. And the reason being is because if I can't live free, if I can't live with the same respect as the next man, I don't want to be here. Because God has cursed me to see what life should be like.
I'm slipping, I'm falling, I can't get up. I'm slipping, I'm falling, I can't get up. I'm slipping, I'm falling, I got to get up. Get me back on my feet so I can tear this shit up. I said I'm slipping, I'm falling, I can't get up. I'm slipping, I'm falling, I can't get up. I'm slipping, I'm falling, I got to get up. Get me back on my feet so I can tear this shit up. Okay, now I took a sip with miscellaneous. Double-sidedness just on some Vinky shit. Double vodka was so provocative. Don't go mocking him, his lingo be the shit. Just a legal immigrant, parents work for government. Military mindset, so I often move militant. Favorite me go offset, then take cocaine with the pen. Then Quay, he saved the day. Big bro, we on the way, that way. I said NWA.
No, sir!
I'm Andre. Don't care what I say, what a double entendre. Just missed out on the play, cause my money wasn't straight. It's probably good, I ain't sell, I would've smoked it anyway. Just trying to run from hell, I get high to escape. I'm feeling like Adele, cause I was rolling in the deep. Like we could've had it all, but you was swimming in the same. And you was blending, just fitting in and just moving like these women. Skin delicious and fictitious, giving false ambition. But just listen, I'm Mr. Griffin, I fool you with the simping. But just listen, I've risen from my slipping. Cause I'm slipping, I'm falling, I can't get up. I'm slipping, I'm falling, I can't get up. I'm slipping, I'm falling, I got to get up. Get me back on my feet so I can tear this shit up. I said I'm slipping, I'm falling, I can't get up. I'm slipping, I'm falling, I can't get up. I'm slipping, I'm falling, I got to get up. Get me back on my feet so I can tear this shit up. Living dreams and seeing fiends, then triple beams almost came reality. With my team, always riding with my team, grinding with my team, steady flying with my team. Thinking of a scheme just to make us on my cream. I always been a nigga with a lot of self-esteem. Who be trying to act on me, and then they get a taste of believe me. Willie, Lorna E, Mark, Lloyd, and Curry. I'm starting to believe I got the mindset of a king. Trapped in the era where they really don't believe. I mean, your eyes could be wide open and you still could be asleep. Cause at the end of the day, it's all about what you achieve. But that shit don't mean shit if you ain't stacking all that green. And everything ain't what it seems.
No, sir!
And everything ain't what it seems, nigga. I dream nigga, me. The coldest of all, I ain't even goaded, you can have it, I'm not involved. All the animosity about the shit, we're problem solved. I know you can't believe that is me. Is God. I'm finna drop my tape, I can't believe, I hope I make you proud. I'm finna drop my tape, I can't believe, I hope I make you proud. I hope I make you smile with a nod like really hard. I hope you end that little statement with an explanation pause. In the book of Revelation, Lion of the Judah, and the root of Sir David has triumphed. Oh my Lord, I'm not preaching, I'm just speaking. I'm Willie B the demon, and I'm slipping, I'm falling, I can't get up. I'm slipping, I'm falling, I can't get up. I'm slipping, I'm falling, I got to get up. Get me back on my feet so I can tear this shit up. I said I'm slipping, I'm falling, I can't get up. I'm slipping, I'm falling, I can't get up. I'm slipping, I'm falling, I got to get up. Get me back on my feet so I can tear this shit up.
them on memory? You got them on, well, you can read them?
Yeah, I read them, but yeah.
God, no, you can read that little stuff?
Yeah.
Shit, I don't know how you read fast, it come out your mouth.
Man, shit.
Let me show you this last song.
You memorize it a lot.
That song is like, let me show you this.
That was the nephew rap session.